Hey guys, so today I'm gonna read this book, Slime, My Pet Slime again, and this is the third chapter, and let's get on with the biggie. So, chapter 3, surprise, surprise. Here's something that shouldn't be true, but it is. It's always easier to make a mess than to clean you'd think it'd be about the same, but it's not. Before I was even half finished cleaning, I heard Dad calling me again. Piper, come here. Mom's home and she has a super guest with her. I love super guests. I love surprise guests, and I really wanted to be such a surprise gift. See you later, I told my pet slime, and I ran out of him. I didn't want to get my hopes up because the surprise guest could have been anyone, like one of my mom's work colleagues. They're mostly nice, but also mostly boring. The surprise guest I wanted to be the opposite of boring, and my hopes were already up about it being her. That's the thing about your hopes. They go up all on their own. You can't stop them, and luckily it was just who I wanted. Grandma Sandy, I cried. Peeps squeak! Grandma Sandy lives at an hour away from us, which isn't really that far. But she travels a lot for her job, so we don't get to see her that much at all. She didn't really have a regular job. By the way, she works at an Astroblast Explorers. I'm sure you've heard about that because it's very famous. But just in case you haven't, the job of Astroblast Explorer is to explore things, obviously. In the old days, there were people who explored a different part of the Earth. The Astroblast Explorer explored things in space. I gave Grandma Sandy a big hug. I thought you weren't coming back for the whole 6 months. I had an unexpected trip home for a couple of days, Grandma Sandy said. Is this your wow for the day? Dad asked me. Every day, Dad asked me about my wow and pow. Wow means the best thing that happened to you all day. And pow means the worst thing. Oh yes, I said. Grandma Sandy is such big wow. I don't even remember pow. Okay, so that's gonna be the second part, and we're gonna see you guys someday later. See ya.